Cold forging is a metal shaping process performed at or near room temperature, unlike traditional forging, which is done at high temperatures. In cold forging, a metal blank is placed into a die and then shaped by applying high pressure using a mechanical or hydraulic press. The process typically involves several steps, including cutting the metal to the desired length, lubrication to reduce friction, and the actual forging where the metal is forced into the die to take its final shape. Cold forging improves the strength and finish of the metal part due to work hardening and precision in dimensions. It is widely used for manufacturing automotive components, fasteners, and other high-strength parts due to its efficiency and material savings. The main advantage of cold forging is the significant increase in strength and durability of the metal parts due to work hardening. Additionally, it offers excellent dimensional accuracy, smooth surface finish, and material savings, making it ideal for high-volume production of strong, precise components. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the channel. We will see you again in the next, more interesting videos. We are Gunma Seiko, a cold forging company located in Japan.